get that out today. Riley has it.
I have it.
Aria has it. Wyatt has it. Carla has it. All right. Hopefully you have 56 cubes. Most of you have that. Now, they want us to take away 5 cubes. So you have 56. You have 6 over here. Can you take away 5?
Yes.
Because 6 is bigger than 5. So right now, take away those 5 cubes. And how many are you left with?
One.
Everybody?
One.
But we have all these 10s over here. So we're really left with 51. So over here, do we have to regroup, guys? No, we did not have to break that one apart. Remember yesterday we learned that if we regroup, we break one apart. So we're going to put no. And then our answer was 51. No, and we have 51 left. Okay, number 6. They want us to put out on our desk 22. So show Mrs. Murphy 22. Show Mrs. Murphy 22. Okay, now we need to take 6 away. Look over here, guys.
We don't have 6.
We only have 6.
We have 2.
We only have 2. 6 is bigger than 2. Bigger bottom, better borrow. So we're going to go over to our 10 that we have over here. And we're going to break it apart. And you guys know that you know that I can do it with my hammer, but you guys can't with yours. So go ahead and pretend to break yours apart. Carson, please show me how you can break it apart. So you should have 10 plus the 2 that you had over here already. So I want you to think, guys, if you have 10 plus 2 more, Carson, what is 10 plus 2? Is 12. So Mrs. Murphy and Carson and the rest of you should have 12 ones. Now, can I take away 6?
Yes.
So take 6 of them away. And how many do you have left? Louis?
13. No.
I
Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16.
16. Good job. Because I have 12 and I take 6 away. So I have 16 left. So 22 minus 6 is 16. Do we have to regroup or break that apart?
Yes.
So please circle yes.
No, I'm not.
And 16. Okay, let's do number 7. Take 30. This will be easy. 30. Ingrid's got her 30 right away. Good job, Ingrid. So Ingrid knows it's just 3 10s. Ingrid, if I want to take 4 away, can I do that over here?
No.
So Ingrid, what do we have to do?
Break it apart.
Break it apart. So everybody take your break yours apart. And now you have 10 over here. And you have 2 sticks. You still have 30 because you have 10, 20, and then 30 over here. But now, can I take 4 away, Rain?
Yes.
Yes, so right now, with your 10 ones, take 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many are left, Arya? There's 6 plus these 20. Good, 26. So number 7, 30 minus 4 equals 26. And please circle. No. Since mine keeps disappearing, second graders, Mrs. Murphy's going to write the answers over here so that in case you don't get it down right away.
I need help on number 5.
Okay.
Sam, I need help on number 5.
All right. Thank you for being patient. Let's do one, or we have how many more? 3 more? Okay, show Mrs. Murphy 43 blacks.
43 minus 3, yes or no? 43 minus 3 equals.
All right. Show Mrs. Murphy 43 blacks. So you should have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. Now, they want us to take 3 away. Can we do that?
Yeah.
Yes. This is easy. We're going to just take away those 3. And how many are we left with, Ellie? 4. 40, right? Do we have to regroup, Ellie?
Yes. No.
No. So, no, we do not have to regroup. And we're left with 40. Okay, number 9. We got 2 left. I want you to show me 76.
76.
All right, so 76. Now, over here, we're going to take 8 away. Bradley, can we do that?
No.
No, because 8 is bigger than 6. So we have to take 1 of
Take
our
your 10
10
away.
and break it.
Ha.
And now we have over here 10 plus 6. So we have 16 over here. So everybody do that.
Okay.
Yep, break that apart. We should have 16 over here. Now, can we take 8 away?
Yes.
Yes. So go ahead and take 8 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You got that wrong.
6. I know, Mrs. Murphy has this one.
You're supposed to be too long.
No, okay. We should have 16 take away 8. 16 take 8 away. Put out 16 Ariane, take 8 away. Carson, what did you get when you had 16 take 8 away? Carson, get out 16 once and take 8 away. Second graders, help Carson. What is 16 minus 8? Everybody? 8. Good. So we have 8 left plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 68 for number 9. 68 is our answer. And yes,
Yes.
we had to regroup. We had to break that one apart.
No.
All right, our last one for today on this page is 67. So you should have about 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And you should already have 68, so you only have to take away 1. If you were smart, you would just take 1 away.
Huh, that's what one of them I said. Huh, maybe she already had a take.
Okay, now Addie, if I have 67, and over here I have 7, and I want to take 8 away, can I do that? No. So what do I have to do to one of my 10s?
Break it.
Break it. So I'm going to break this apart. You do the same. You break one of your 10s apart. I like how Aria goes. She pretends to break it. I like that.
Yeah, I do that a lot. I'll just break it right now. Oh, I do it. I could try to break it. I'll try.
All right. Let's see how many you can get over here. Yusuf.
Don't.
Mouse at 0, please. You should have 10 over here that you just broke plus your 7. So you should be able to think 10 plus 7.
Seven. Is that
Okay, so Mrs. Murphy broke apart this 10, and I have 7 that I first had there. Now, Tyson, can I take away 8? Can I?
Yes.
Yeah, let's take 8 away. Mrs. Murphy is going to take away these 7. And then I have to take 1 more from this 10. Because that'd be 8. So how many is left for my, my 1s? How many is left, Ellie?
59.
9. Plus, Ellie said there's 50 over here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 59. Good job. 59. So yes, I had to regroup. And I have 59. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding that because now in our next lesson I'm going to show you